Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Today's video is showing how I've decorated my house for fall. Now this will be my last video before my surgery. In fact, tomorrow is my surgery. Today's Monday, tomorrow's Tuesday when I have my surgery. I'm getting ready to leave to go to Knoxville to where I'm going to have the surgery, and they're going to go ahead and run the dye into my breast, and it'll go over to my lymph nodes so he can see to take out however many lymph nodes he needs to take out. So getting that done today, and I think I will upload this probably while my surgery is going on. And you know, I'm having a double mastectomy. I always go like this when I'm talking about it, like here they are. And so that's happening tomorrow. So this video is going to be showing my fall decorations. So my granddaughter, my third granddaughter, she helped me. She likes decorating and doing stuff like that. So she came over and we put out the fall decorations, and she did the cutest thing. And I will try to get her maybe after my surgery to demonstrate it. But I just kind of put some plates out on the table, and just a little arrangement in the middle. It was my mother's china. I thought, I'll put those out. So it doesn't, it's not a full set of a place setting. But I have orange napkins I put with each plate. So she took the orange napkins and she folded them where it made a little pumpkin in each place setting on the plate. It's the cutest thing. So I'll show you that, and I'll see if she can, if she's willing to sometime show you how she made those. But, I love decorating this house. It was built, in case you all don't know, some of you, it was built in 1886. Doug and I have spent, over the past 23 years, have spent a lot of time renovating it to try to get it back what our interpretation of studying the Victorians the way it would have been back then. So it just sort of lends itself to holidays, to decorating. It just makes me think of all of the holidays that have gone on over the decades. And I just love that thought of doing that. So I will show you that. It's just a brief little tour with doing it on my phone. So I hope you enjoy that. Like I said, I really like to decorate it a whole lot. And a lot of the stuff is old, and it's stuff you can find like at Walmart, Target, Hobby Lobby, anything like that. That's where I found it, in the past. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye for now. After surgery, I think I will either try to get on Instagram or maybe do a short on here just to kind of let you all know I'm okay. And I won't be able to fix my arms down, and so I won't be able to fix my hair very well and stuff, but I will probably, knowing me, because I'm kind of on a roll with my videos, I will probably do a video, with me with a messy bun on top of my head, because I can kind of, go like that and do a messy bun, or Doug or my daughter or somebody can help me do a messy bun. I'll just probably do a video like that looking terrible, but I don't care. That's real life. And I also want to take this opportunity over this past month to just tell you all how much, especially those of you who have reached out and gone through this before me, how you are paying back by reassuring me. And I hope maybe by talking about it in my videos, maybe someone who's going to be going through this in the future, I can pay back to them by saying, you can do it too. You can get this behind you and look forward, and it's a bump in the road, and then after you get over the bump, there's your road, continuing on. So I hope that maybe I can be a little helpful to someone too, like all of you have been helpful to me. So thank you. I'm going, I gotta get going. I'm going to Knoxville right now. So tomorrow's the day, and I'll get word to you all one way or another. I may look like hell, but I will get on here sometime or another and let y'all know how I am. Now, this video is going up while I'm having surgery, so I don't know that I'll be able to comment, but I will try to do the little likes to let you all know that I have watched it. I don't want to get emotional, but y'all have meant so much to me this past month. Well, this journey would have been a million times harder with all of you out there on here and on Instagram. just talking to me and encouraged me. It really would have been so much harder. So thank you for that. Y'all have done good deeds and made my life better. So I hope you enjoy my video and love you all and thank you. Okay, this is the front doors behind me. I'm filming on my phone, so I hope it turns out. So to my right, I have a picture of my mom and me and my daughter. And then just a little garland that I got last year at Hobby Lobby, I believe, and some pumpkins. Most of this I got at Hobby Lobby or Walmart. There's a little rabbit that I got at a little antique shop when we went to another town close by. And then back on this side is another little scarecrow and a replica of the Mayflower, which reminds me of, Thanksgiving. And then just some little pumpkins over here. And then I've had this little pumpkin plugged in forever. And I love these little burlap ones. The little burlap pumpkins. Aren't they cute? I think they're another Hobby Lobby one too. And then I got this green garland. Hobby Lobby, like when you go in, it's fake. But when you go in, they have all that, greenery and all that kind of stuff. I got that over there. And I just thought it would be a little bit more unusual putting that up there instead of just regular, like grapevine or something. And then we have some little pumpkins that we put there. I think I got these little pumpkins at Walmart. And then more of the little velvet ones. I've got several of the little velvet ones. And you can find them all over the place. I believe Walmart and Hobby Lobby both have them, probably Amazon, just lots of places do. There's my little, it's a white ceramic one. And then moving on around. I don't know if I ever show you all my ceiling. I love looking up at my ceiling. I had a friend that would come over and he would want to lay on the floor and look up at the ceiling when he would come visit Doug and me. We're going to move back to where the piano is, the piano room. Doug likes to be fancy and call it the rear parlor. But we've got another spray type thing. Let me kind of straighten it up. On this mantle, just very simple. And then this is where we keep all of our, we keep some books, and then we keep like our Nintendo and all that kind of stuff for the grandkids to play with behind there. And then this is a little metal one. I know I got most of this. I mean, I've had it for several years, but I got it mostly at Hobby Lobby, Big Lots, Walmart. I keep saying that. There's a picture of Doug's mother when she was a little girl. There's my daughter on her wedding day, and my son and daughter-in-law on their wedding day. Okay. And then here's I'll show this because they look different now. There's a painting. Doug had a picture painted of my grandchildren when they were younger. Okay, and then over here, this little picture right here, my granddaughter gave it to me for Christmas this year. She painted it, my second oldest granddaughter. And then we've got some more of the little metal type, or plastic. They're plastic, but they're painted like metal. The piano's over here, and we had to put that, there was a bird that kept throwing himself into the window, so we had to put shiny ribbon up to get him to quit doing it. But we've got another spray this one I know I got at Walmart about 2 years ago. But this is a different kind of spray and some more velvet pumpkins. Okay, I think that's all of this room and the front room. I've got some more going up the stairs too. This is the dining room. Okay, in the dining room, I just put my mother's china. It's got more pieces to it. I just put that on it because I wanted to showcase the little pumpkins that my granddaughter did, folding with each napkin. I thought they were so cute that I just put some glasses on there. Just real simple, didn't even put any silverware or anything like that, just a spray down the middle. Just more of the little pumpkins because I felt like these pumpkins kind of imitated the little pumpkins that she made. So I put those one on each side. They're the same size. One of them is like a burgundy and the other one is orange. But that's how she folded it and made a little thing at the top. And just so cute. So that's the table. This is one of the side tables. Another little pumpkin. This is the buffet with the, with another spray on there or garland, and a metal pumpkin and another metal pumpkin. These are things I've just collected over the years. And I just took some random little fake little, decoration type things and put them in a little pitcher. And then here's this one, the same as the other side table. So I was actually going to right there put some of that stuff around a candle. I just haven't done it yet. And pictures of me, my brother and me, my two children, and then my brother and me when we were real young. And there's a picture of Doug and me in the UK several years ago, maybe about 10 years ago, and we renewed our vows at a little church in the UK. And then here's this mantle. Just some more garland type stuff. I know, I'm pretty sure I got all this garland at Walmart. And okay, I'm gonna go up the stairs now. And on the first landing, the sun's kind of in the way. Let me see if I can get past it. Just another scarecrow and a little pumpkin. That pumpkin I got at Big Lots. And then on the second landing, another pumpkin with another little person, little scarecrow. And at the top of the stairs in front of my mirror, I've got two scarecrows there at the mirror. So we'll go back downstairs and I'll take you outside. I don't want to show my house number, but there's, a scarecrow beside each door and a little scarecrow up there. And right there is a little tree. Right there is a little tree. Try to get down below the house number. And yeah, there we go. Get down below it. And then I have this little table right here that, I decorate seasonally. And so just got a little pumpkin. So just got some little pumpkins on it and a little candle that comes on, when it gets dark. And then my little scarecrow up there. So that's the house. So again, thank you so much for everything. I'm so very grateful. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you all soon. And, just keep me in your thoughts and prayers. I appreciate it. Talk to y'all soon and love you all. Be safe. Thanks again. Bye-bye.